Hey there, this is Scott Drummond. Thought I'd post this quick video, a little time-lapse action of a drawing I did in Procreate on the iPad Pro, the 10.5-inch one. This seemed to be pretty popular when I posted it to Twitter, so I thought I would go ahead and post it here too, give you a little bit of time-lapse action on how I made it. So you saw there that I kind of use a lot of photo reference for my art, whether it's from photos that I find on the internet or for photos I take myself. There's a set photo of uh, the people from Spider-Man: Far From Home, and I was like, oh, this photo's great. I'm a big Spider-Man fan. I like those movies. So grab that photo to grab a basic shape of the pose, and then after I kind of had it generally down, I was able to kind of expand upon that and get a pose that I really liked and some expressions that I really liked. I was using the 6B pencil in Procreate for a lot of the thinner lines, and I went with the Artist Crayon for some of those thicker lines. With the flat colors, I was using the airbrush, I think it was just the Hard Airbrush for a lot of those, and then I went back in with the 6B pencil, the sketching pencil, for some of this texture that's coming in here. And that's about it. Just kind of, doing all that fun stuff and just digging into little things. Oh, here's where I decided I was like, oh, I'm going to put a really complicated background in this image. And then I was like, nope, just kidding. Alright, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much.